This is a demo of a post review discount within a time window using judge.me. And so we're going to trigger when a review is created. And then we're just going to add that tag to the customer in question. And this delay is for 6 months in this case, can be however long you want that to be. After that 6-month period, we're going to remove the tag so that they're only going to be eligible for that discount within that time window. Also, if they place an order, we've got a separate workflow triggering on order created to remove that tag as well. Whichever of those two conditions comes first, either they place an order or it's been 6 months, we will remove that tag. And then when you want to set up your discount, all you do is select a specific customer segment and select that segment. And here is how you would create that segment. You would just have customer tags contains and pop that tag in there to create that segment. And that's how it works. As always, you can find these demos on the automation demos section of the blog. Hope that helps. And let us know if you need any help setting that up. This is an incredible opportunity. This year is an absolutely exciting opportunity that we're going to go ahead and be able to take advantage of.